Alright, we've got a different Tygon Top Security Extra Plus, which seems to be their highest grade of disc detainer padlocks. There we go. So there's the key. Very sophisticated, double-sided. Alright. So here's our little zeroing of the discs. Pick. Tension. Getting nothing in the front, so let's try the back. Okay. That's definitely a 0. Come on now. Did I fall off of him? But I was going to say that's not open yet. I'll take it if it is, but it's definitely not open. Let's try that again. Okay, you're set. Okay, that's set. Set. Unconvinced there. Okay, we'll go back for him later. That was also unconvincing. Let's try the front again. Okay, that was a big set. That was my wife. Let's see if there it is. It's another one where the front disc was not a 0, but it's open. It's probably why this one has been such an ass pain for me. So disc detainer lock number 2, SDP, single disc picked. That only took 4 minutes. That's not too bad. So there you go. Tygon Extra Plus Top Security picked. So there we go. And once more with the key, just to see if I broke it or anything. All right. This is Alex. Thanks for watching. And as always, have fun and please keep it legal. Cheers.